Today we're going to take a walk through Costa Adeje, a coastal town located on the southern coast of Tenerife in the Canary Islands. I'll be sharing some helpful tips and info. So come and join me on this 4K walking tour, and you'll get to see more of this popular resort, which is known for its beautiful beaches and some of the most luxurious accommodations on the island. So let's start with some practical things. First of all, prices can be quite a bit higher here compared to other parts of Tenerife. So it's definitely advisable to book your accommodation well in advance, especially during peak seasons. The region is famous for its pristine beaches with clear waters, so it's perfect for swimming, snorkeling and diving. And you'll find plenty of boat tours to take you out to see whales and dolphins. When visiting the beaches though, make sure to take note of the flag system, which tells you the safety levels. Red for danger, yellow for caution, and green for safe swimming conditions. Transportation in Costa Adeje is really convenient. Public buses are an economical and efficient way to get around and explore most other parts of Tenerife. For more flexibility, renting a car is the best option, allowing for more extensive exploration of the island. But bear in mind that parking in popular areas may be quite challenging. Siam Park, the most popular water park in the Canaries, is close by. The walk takes around 25 minutes from the beach. Or if you don't want to navigate a busy main road on the way, you can take line 467 bus, which takes about 5 minutes and costs around €2, I think. Siam Park has been voted the #1 water park 10 times in a row. So you can well imagine how popular it gets, and you'll for sure want to book in advance to avoid a really long queue. A trip to Taytay National Park is a must. This towering volcano is Spain's highest peak and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There are walking trails to the summit and also a cable car. I'll be talking more specifically about the entry costs later in the video. Weather-wise, Costa Adeje has over 300 days of sunshine per year, with average summer temperatures around 27 degrees Celsius. English is widely spoken in tourist areas, but of course it goes without saying that learning a few basic Spanish phrases will enhance your experience for sure. Dining options in Costa Adeje are really diverse, and of course includes local Canarian food, which is readily available. You have to try local dishes like papas arrugadas con mojo, which are small wrinkly potatoes, served with spicy red or green sauce, a Canarian speciality. Given Costa Adeje coastal location, another must is the local fish dishes and seafood paella. And make sure you sample the local cheeses, particularly those made from goat's milk. At breakfast, you'll be bound to see gofio. Gofio is a versatile Canarian flour made from roasted grains, often used in various dishes, but you'll often see it served as a cereal. Drinks-wise, look out for barraquito, a Canary Islands cocktail made with coffee, milk, liqueur, sweetened condensed milk, cinnamon and lemon peel. It's often served as a post-meal drink. It's a bit sweet for me, but you might love it. One note regarding the more popular restaurants. It's definitely recommended to book in advance, especially during peak tourist seasons. So I had a look this morning, and so here's a bit of an overview of the entry costs for some major attractions at the moment. Bear in mind that these are today's prices, so it's only just a guide. Firstly, Siam Park. Adult tickets I saw were around €40. Children aged 3 to 11 can get in for €28. And if you have kids under 3, then they get to go for free. If you fancy exploring Taytay National Park, and I'd suggest you definitely do, then you could take the cable car ride to the summit, which, as I mentioned, is Spain's highest peak. The cost for the cable car for adults is around €38, and for children aged 3 to 13, it's about €19. Children under 3 can ride for free. I'd say the dolphin and whale watching boat tours are well worth going on. Prices can vary quite a bit depending on the tour company and length of the trip. But looking around, it looks like you can generally expect to pay between €25 and €50 for adults. And children will most likely cost you around €15 to €30. If you're considering a visit to Loro Parque in the north of the island, which is not only a zoo but a botanical garden, then you can expect adult tickets to be about €40. Kids under 6 are free, and for kids aged 6 to 11, it's around €28. There's also a place called Jungle Park you might like to visit, which has more than 400 animals and 100 different species. Entry for adults is typically around €30. Children aged 5 to 10 can get in for, I think it's €20. And again, infants under 5 are free. Probably the best thing about the park is Jungle Raid. It's a 300-metre long trail of rope bridges, tunnels and narrow passages, and it's included within your entry charge. Anyway, these costs hopefully give you a bit of an idea of what to budget on your visit. But I would say it's good to check the individual websites close to the time, because things inevitably go up. And also you might find there's some discounts. So a bit more about the beaches in the area. One of the most popular is Playa Funa Bay, known for its long stretch of fine sand and shallow waters, making it safe for children. This beach has things like sun loungers, umbrellas, showers and public toilets. And along the promenade there's loads of restaurants and bars. Playa Funa Bay has things like jet skiing and banana boating, and there's playgrounds and mini golf, so it's pretty family friendly. Also there's Playa del Duque, recognised for its golden sand and clear waters. This beach has a slightly more upscale vibe and can get really crowded. Because of the sea's good visibility and marine life, snorkeling is really good here. Playa de Torviscas is known for its calm waters, so it makes it a safe environment for children to swim. It has sunbeds, umbrellas, and public loos as well. And nearby, there's family-orientated restaurants. I'd say that this beach is definitely one of the most popular with families. If you like a smaller beach, Playa La Pinta is located near the harbour. It's also known for its calm waters and family atmosphere, but it's often less crowded than the larger beaches. Playa La Pinta is also good for water sports, and so it's maybe better for older children. I would say that at the more popular beaches, you might want to get there early to secure a good spot. So what about the nightlife scene? Well, I think that the town caters to most tastes. It works if you're a bit of a party goer, but also if you're just looking for more relaxed kind of evenings. There's so many restaurants in the area, not just casual eateries serving burgers and pizzas, but there's upscale seafood spots too, especially in the nearby fishing village of La Caleta. For a lively atmosphere, check out popular bars like the pub Tenerife and Cafe Steps International Bar, where you can sometimes hear live music. If you're in the mood for something energetic, then Kingston Reggae Bar and the Night Owl offer a fun vibe. If you're looking for dancing, there's several clubs that are open until dawn. For a beach party feel, venues like Kaluna Beach Club and Papagayo Beach Club have DJs and a laid-back atmosphere, so good for dancing under the stars. And here at Kong Bar, with creative cocktails and national and international DJs. If you'd prefer a quieter evening, there's some nice smaller beach bars where you can often listen to live music. Anyway, I think that overall, whether you're looking for something lively or a peaceful evening by the sea, you'll find something that can fit your mood. Overall, Adeje's beaches, its proximity to Siam Park and diverse activities makes it a really popular destination for families and for those seeking more high-end hotels in Tenerife. So we'll end our walk here today. But if you want to see what's further along the coast, we do have a full walk from Playa de las Americas to Los Cristianos on our channel. It's a natural sound walk with guided captions, so I hope you'll enjoy that. So I hope you found this walk through Costa Adeje helpful. We have lots more walks in Tenerife, all of the Canary Islands and in our favourite places around the world. Some are narrated and some natural sound for a more immersive experience. So I hope you'll drop by again, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one.